Good morning everyone. Today, continuation of surface chemistry. Properties of colloids. There are three properties of colloids. First one, optical property. Second one, kinetic property. Third one, electrical property. Let us first one, optical property, Tyndall effect, colloidal, scattering of light. Second one, kinetic property, kinetic. So kinetic property is zigzag motion, kinetic. Third one, electrical properties. Third one, electrical property. So electrical property, today let us consider the electrical properties. Helmholtz double layers. Helmholtz double layer. The surface of the colloidal particle. The surface of the colloidal particle. Any one of the ion absorbed preferentially oppositely charged. So oppositely charged ions become absorbed. Let us consider this is a negatively charged particle. This is a negatively charged particle, that is a positive layers. Positive layer. This is one of the layer, fixed layer. So another one of the layer is a movable layer. This one of the layer is a fixed layer. Another one of the layer is a movable layer. So the surface of the colloidal particle absorbs the ion. The preferentially absorbs an opposite charge. Oppositely charged. So two boundary become a separate. That is a two boundary. So two boundary become a two layer. In this is called Helmholtz double layer. Helmholtz double layer. This is a negatively charged surface. Negatively charged particle is absorbed a positive charge. One positive charge. This is one of the layer. This second one, this is another one of the layer. So this one of the layer, this another one of the layer. This is a potential difference. This is one potential difference. This is called Helmholtz double layers. Helmholtz double layer. There are three properties of colloids. First, optical property, example, Tyndall effect. Okay, second one, kinetic properties. Third one, electrical property. So electrical property is a double layers. What are the purpose for the Helmholtz double layers? Suppose two charged particles. Two charge of an ion. So two charge of an ion cannot come to the easily. Cannot come to the attract. So in this purpose for Helmholtz double layer, stability of solid particle. Okay. Next go to electrophoresis. This is called the electrophoresis. Electrophoresis or cataphoresis. This is U deep. Two platinum electrode. This is one of the platinum electrode. This is another one of the platinum electrode. Two platinum electrode, like opposite charge. One is a positive charge, another one is a negative charge. Two platinum electrode. This is deionized water. Deionized water. Water is deionized. Okay. Two platinum electrode immersed deionized water. This is a solid particles. Both sides are equal. Okay. This is before. What are the definition of electrophoresis or cataphoresis? When applying the electric field, migration of solid particle on opposite electrode. Only migration of solid particle, not a medium. Only a migration of solid particle is not a medium. In this process is known as electrophoresis or cataphoresis. When applying electric field, when applying electric current, migration of salt particle and opposite electrode, opposite charge. Okay, this is a before. This is a positive charge electrode and a negative charge electrode. Positive charge electrode, negative charge electrode. Both sides are salt particles and equal. Both sides of salt particles are equal. Suppose when applying electric field, when applying the electric field after positive electrode, this platinum electrode, positive electrode is raised. So positive electrode is raised, such salt particle become negative. Such salt particle become a negative. Suppose salt particle become a negative, positive electrode become raised. Positive electrode become a raised. There are two types of one salt particle charge, positive charge and a negative charge. Example, positive charge, example, aluminum hydroxide. Number 1, aluminum hydroxide, ferric hydroxide. Ferric hydroxide, basic dye. Last one, hemoglobin. One more question. Last one, hemoglobin. This is called examples for positive salt. Example for positive salt. Suppose negative salt. Negative salt example, As2S3, arsenic sulfide. Arsenic sulfide. Gold, silver, platinum. Gold, silver, platinum. It's a negative word. Clay, starch. Negative. Negative salt, arsenic, sulfide, gold, silver, platinum, clay, starch. These are positive and negative. Okay. Suppose if you take the As2S3, arsenic sulfide, that is unknown. What are the charge of one salt? That is unknown. Unknown salt, arsenic sulfide. When arsenic sulfide, when applying electric field, that is 100 voltage. When applying electric field 100 voltage, this is a negative salt become raised is a positive electrode. Positive electrode. It's a negative salt become a positive electrode. Opposite charge electrode is raised. Suppose if you take ferric hydroxide, FeOH thrice, ferric hydroxide, FeOH thrice, ferric hydroxide. When apply the electric field, it's a negative side. Negative electrode side become raised. Negative electrode. So negative electrode is raised. Such salt is known as positive salt. Positive salt. What are the definition of electrophoresis and catophoresis? To identify, to detect the charge of salt particle, not a medium. Only to identify, to detect, to find out the salt particle charge when a salt, whether it is positive or negative. Only whether it is positive or negative by using the platinum electrode. Say example, positive salt, aluminum hydroxide, ferric hydroxide, basic dye, hemoglobin. Negative, arsenic sulfide, gold, silver, platinum, clay and starch. Negative. Suppose salt becomes a negative, positive side become raised. Positive limb become a raised. Suppose salt becomes a positive salt, is a negative sides become a raised. So finally we are conclude electrophoresis when you apply electric field, migration of salt particle with the opposite electrode. Okay. Next go to electro osmosis. Electro osmosis. This is a water, deionized water. It's a salt particle. Salt particle. Semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane. So two electrode, like the negative electrode and the positive electrode. This is a negative electrode and a positive electrode. Suppose salt becomes a neutral. Salt becomes a neutral. Two opposite particles, two opposite charge particles. Suppose two opposite charge particles. When applying the electric field, migration of dispersed medium is not a salt. Migration of dispersed medium. When a migration of dispersed medium in opposite charge, it's not a salt particle. It's not a salt particle. This is a semi-permeable membrane. This semi-permeable membrane. When applying electric field, it's a migration of dispersed medium. This is known as electro osmosis. Electro osmosis. What are the difference between electrophoresis and electro osmosis? Electrophoresis, when applying electric field, migration of salt particle. Migration of salt particles. Migration of salt particle. Electro osmosis, when applying electric field, migration of dispersed medium. Migration of dispersed medium is not a salt particle. Next one, coagulation or precipitation. Coagulation or precipitation. So negative ion, positive charged particle and settle down. Negative ion is a positive salt particles are settled down. This is known as coagulation or precipitation. First, number one, addition of electrolytes. First, number one, addition of electrolyte. Second one, electrophoresis. Second one, electrophoresis. Third one, mixing oppositely charged salt. Neutralized. Mixing oppositely charged salt. Last one, boiling. Let us consider first one, addition of electrolyte. Addition of electrolyte. Addition of electrolyte. If a negative ion get precipitated positive salt. A negative ion get precipitated is a positive charge. High power become a high. The valency of ion. Valency of ion is a high. The valency of ion is a high. The valency of ion is a high. The precipitation power become increases. The precipitation power become increases. Example, Al 3 plus is greater to Ba 2 plus is greater to Na plus. Similarly, FeCN6 3 minus is greater to SO4 2 minus is greater to Cl minus. Okay. Second one, electrophoresis or cataphoresis. Electrophoresis or cataphoresis. When applying electric field, migration of salt particle. Migration of salt particle by addition of opposite charge. By addition of opposite charge. Okay. That is electrophoresis. Next, mixing of oppositely charged salt. Mixing of oppositely charged salt. So mixing of oppositely charged salt when a negative ion or positive ion. Suppose you take the negative ions. Negative ion, positive salt particle is mixed. When a negative ion, positive salt particle is mixed, get neutralized, get precipitation or coagulation. Last one, boiling. Last one, boiling. When you are boiling, temperature, depending upon temperature. When the colloidal particles are collision. When colloidal particles are collision. When the colloidal particles are collision, finally get precipitate. Finally get precipitate. There are 4 points. First, number one, addition of electrolyte. Second one, electrophoresis. Third one, mixing of oppositely charged salt. Fourth one, boiling. Okay. Next one, protective action. Generally, leophobic salt get precipitate. Even small amount of added electrolyte. Small amount of added in electrolyte. But the small amount of gelatin salt, when a small amount of gelatin salt is added to gold salt to protect the gold salt. when a small amount of gelatin salt is added, when a small amount of gelatin salt is added to gold salt to product, the gold salt to the product, this is known as protective action. Protective action. Next one is a very important one, gold number. Gold number. Gold number, important one. A number of milligram, the number of milligram of hydrophilic colloid, the number of milligram of hydrophilic colloid prevented get precipitate. Then 10 ml of gold salt is added. 10 ml of gold salt is added. Then 1 ml of 10 percentage. 1 ml of 10 percentage of NaCl solution. This is known as the gold number. This is known as a gold number. Next one, colloids. Gold number. Gelatin colloids. The gold number 0.00521. Number 1. Second, number 2, egg albumin. Gold number 0.082, 0.10. Third one, gum arabic 0.1 to 0.15. Fourth one, potato starch. Gold number become 25. Gold number become a 25. Okay. Thank you.